In this video, we're going to explore the BI Sales Dashboard feature. This feature allows users to track, analyze, and report on company sales using KPIs and various metrics. It also provides multiple chart types, making your sales data easy to visualize and understand. To begin, click on Sales, then select BI Sales Overview. At the right side panel, you can set your date range. After selecting the dates, click Refresh Data to generate the results. You can customize the main chart using several options at the right side panel. Start by choosing the display mode, top or bottom performers, and setting the display count, such as the top 3 or 4 companies or debtors' records. You can also tick this Show Others option to include others. For the main chart type, select from Line Chart, Bar Chart, or Stacked Bar. Whether by total sales, item group, type, debtor, debtor type, sales agent, or area. The chart time scale for the bottom chart section can be switched between daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly. You can interact with the chart by switching to a pie chart, or right-clicking to copy to clipboard, export to image, PDF, or convert between chart types. For reporting or sharing purposes, the system offers several export options including Print Preview, Export to PDF, Image, or Excel. To review details into the underlying data, open Inspect Data to view figures in aggregate or raw format. You can export them as needed in various format choices. The main chart can be maximized for a larger view. And restored back to its normal size at any time. Adjust the alignment to show sales by debtor, debtor type, sales agent, or by area. At the bottom panel section, you can view the item group and item type charts. The bottom timescale chart also supports date filtering. For example, from the date 16th to the 18th. In summary, the BI Sales Dashboard allows you to interact with your sales data easily. Selecting a data point on one chart will automatically cross-filter the other charts on the dashboard. Cross-filtering works together with your standard dashboard filters to give you deeper and more meaningful insights.